Right, we have here a Ryobi battery operated pressure washer. This thing puts out at 320 psi's. It's designed for quick connect. You can hook up a garden hose to right here. You can use a tube that it comes with and put it in different size containers. It comes with a 20-foot siphoning feed to drop into a bucket of water for rinsing or use it for chemical. Comes with a orange medium spray tip, a red low pressure tip, and then a yellow high pressure tip, which is where you're getting your maximum 320 psi's. It does come with an assortment of other attachments. And what we're going to do today is we're going to test this unit out on a 4-ton 16-seer air conditioning unit. So I have the Simix AC ceramic coating in the concentrate. What I've done is I've mixed it up at 3-to-1 in a empty Diet Coke bottle. And then we also have the Simix multi-surface cleaner, which obviously is step 1. So everything's mixed up. We're just going to shake it up a little bit. We're going to connect this tube and then hook up the bottle. This is the evaporator coil on the inside, so I'm going to go ahead and use the medium flow tip and just spray the cleaner. What we're looking for is enough pressure that it pushes the cleaner in to the fins, but not enough pressure where it damages it. So this hopefully is the right color tip. The orange tip was pushing the cleaner almost all the way through. You could start to see a little drizzle from the other side, but it wasn't exactly what we're looking for. So we went ahead and put on the yellow, which is a high flow. I'm going to spray this side, and hopefully it should all come through that side. If it does come through, this is the correct tip to make sure that we penetrate all the way through the fins with the cleaner. So here we go. Okay, so here's what I realized. I could save a hell of a lot of time if I just keep using the yellow tip. So yellow tip for applying the cleaner. I'm going to say the yellow tip for also rinsing, unless you just happen to have the garden hose handy. Again, I'm trying to do everything with one unit. So we're hooked up to the water, to the bucket siphoning system right now. Again, this is a 20-foot hose. There is a weighted ball with a siphoning feed that is inside the bucket. We still got the yellow tip for rinsing. What I like about this is literally I can go all the way around the unit without having to constantly pull the garden hose or take a chance of it getting hit. But what I want to show, what's super important when you're thoroughly rinsing these units, is that you get everything, you know, all the way through. So as you can see, all right, so we got the red tip on. We have tried the yellow tip with the coating, a little too powerful. So we've come to realize the yellow tip is better for applying the cleaner and to rinse it out. We tried the orange tip. The orange tip wasted too much product. We're on the red tip. The red tip seems to be good. I'm just going to do a quick spray because I have already coated this and I'm about out, just so you can see the fact that it does from the outside travel all the way through, which is exactly what you want. So here we go. Gotta let it prime. As you can see, goes all the way through.